Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video by Trending Reviews. So I have a D-brand skin here, huge one for my MacBook Pro 15-inch Touch Bar Edition. So I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to put that on. I've ordered the top and the trackpad. I didn't get the bottom one, so if you want to have a look at how to install the bottom one, I'll leave a link in the description below on how to view that tutorial. But let's go ahead and see how this looks with my brand new black camo coloured MacBook Pro skin. Right, let's go ahead and open this up. Right, so we have the top skin and the trackpad and a cloth, and that's all you need. Wipe down the surface, make sure there's no marks. Next we're going to peel off a bit from the top. Just maybe about that much. Fold it there and try and line it up from the top. Once it's fully lined up at the top there, we're going to do it along the sides here. So turn that over. What we'll do is we'll take this all off. And we'll just put a little fold, just leave a little gap there. So now try and line it up on the bottom right. There we go. And what we do is we pull it down diagonally in this direction. So we just keep folding it from the ends. You can use a cloth to press down, and you keep going. The Apple logo is the trickiest part. If you think it hasn't fit correctly, then you can just take it off and do it again. Try not to get any bubbles in it, otherwise you just lift it up to remove the bubbles and you start again. And once you're comfortable, just take all of it out and slowly start rubbing into it. Iron out the last little bubbles on the edges, and there you have it. The black camo MacBook Pro. Now, last step is to do the touch bar. Make sure that's clean as well. So just take a little bit out of the end, like so. Line it up. There we go. And then slowly start peeling back from behind. Keep an eye on if it's straight. If you feel like it's not, you can just grab it again and just move it and then rub it down. And there you have it guys. Black camo trackpad. So I hope you found that tutorial good. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, do drop them in the comments below. But thanks for watching guys. I'll see you guys next time.